Sometimes I can't bother follow Madam Mouth, you know, because I don't know which direction it will go. Sometimes I just can't bother follow Madam Mouth. You know, so it's true, but I no disrespect my baby. But it's when you cry, come off camera, because when you hold up your head, so you know, me I wonder, me I say, why she have to hold up her head and her lip dry it down back? Me don't know, but something not agree. Something just not agree. If I cry in your wig, I am makeup and so, like your lip sync, I can't work this so. At least I'm not gonna take you serious. But at this stage I cry. Over that I do so much wickedness, I could about cry.
Tried my best, soft, loud, hard, everything. And the ending result, I'm going to go behind bars. And it's not worth my freedom.
Yeah.
Because Shebada, you can only go a child, you know? And try them to bring forth who you want them to be. Enough kids is very ungrateful no matter what you do or what you don't do. They will always be ungrateful. Some is and some won't.
Yeah.
So I don't think I'm going to risk myself to put myself behind bars. I don't think I'm going to risk it. I don't think I'm going to risk it. And me hear him say look a piece when me say, me nah send nothing, no give them Shebada, me nah send $1. Only boo, not even 10 cents, my baby, not even 2. You know why? In mama will class me and tell me say me all and me mouth shit up after all of that. Me still hide and give me 10 and 15,000. I said when them lock me up Saturday evening, she was standing there side of Nessa and she said nothing.
Okay.
She said nothing out of her mouth. She didn't say no. Do not lock up her because I will my class her and bring down that girl. She still hide and give me her money. She will come down and see you. She will give her kids their money and give me money personally for myself. I remember my rubber road clean with stamps.
Yeah. Okay. And that's that? So we are trying to say. We are trying to say. Oh, true, me did say if you chop if you chop out Nessa face. Oh, but we was at why you leave all of go down there then? Well, alright, since you go look for your kids then, why did that show stone off of Nessa? Eh? You could have chop her. Yeah, remember that was the aim. You could have chop her. And the same like copy that get. And the part where you say, you're not saying, you say it and I mean, I just repeat what you say. You forget? So make it make sense. Yes, my love. So, Rosie O'Donnell, never say nothing about the moment you go see you for go spit on a person, thump a person, you put a chop out of your life. You ain't said that the woman know a wound. She'd have wounded, just like a wounded dog. Broke your same record, Baba boy. Don't run, please run. Don't run, please run. Yeah, you could have do it. You could do it, my baby. Remember you go down there, you know. Remember you used to she come and you go down there. And you show things that, so come in and Rosie at the party and I can't get. So you give me say your money. You're lying. So you buy back jigs through the mother. They just ask him, baby. You buy back jigs through the mother. Why? Then it's who put up rest in peace, Kim King, IG. Then why Derek so wicked? Derek number. I wonder for Derek Morgan. Who put up rest in peace, Kim King? I wonder, somebody call the partner and say if Kim King they're home. Auntie, take off, me can't breathe. I lie. Then when me take off this, you go put it over your nose. A pump. Your chest tight. Shavers. You have as many big man stage. You never grow it out. Too much gravy I drink. You drink too much gravy. Poor thingy, she can't breathe. Call somebody now. Breathing on one brown paper bag. She give her because she take care of her kids. Then oh Rosalie go like and she take care of the people. Then oh she make the money sound like a man say a big girl. When you see the argument fair man, the two argue different. Then mother no come out, Lord Jesus, I got to put mother on the Friday. It's Friday, baby. Then mother no come out and I cry at this big stage for essay. Mother come out and I cry at this big stage, say the man never use no lubricant. Then mother you know, say the man open up your passage, you mean the man tear off your door. Eh? Then mother at this big stage you come out. Then what you really are cry for? Because me not understand how somebody do you play. Then Kim King nobody dead. See Kim King here. He must send me request station. Kim King nobody dead. Him nobody dead. Him nobody dead. See me here. Them wicked and lie to Kim King and me a plan for give Kim King some, you know. Me a plan for give him some. Kim King, you can't buy me one ticket, I'ma fly this up for you. Buy me one ticket, I'ma just fly up this. The last time me send she, you know. This is the last time I sent she. It's through DHL, not even UPS could have find her. She have a mind of her own, so I have to travel with her. Sometimes I wonder if she have autism. Yeah, I have to travel with her. Hold her hand, and then something there. Yeah, I want me that talk about a while ago. Before me say Kim King. What me that talk about? Eh? Happy wife I go home in a pain. Oh mother ball. Then mother where you ball for the man do you a favor. Eh? You know see them the man unlock your nature. You talk when never use the lubricant. That is a big man. And look on a big man like you I take little boy you know. Are you really a cry? All me could have been a cry.
Them blame the people that will get essayed. Them blame the people that will get essayed. And then now him gets to live him true life and him true potential. And my life blighted and stranded and every blood clot thing. I passed 10 blood clot subjects and couldn't get a job. I passed 10 subjects, 8 ones and 2 twos and couldn't get a blood clot job. Him. I'm a big man, you know. When me at 10, I'm a big man. And I like say about a teenager or anything. When me at 10, I'm a big man. When me at 10, I'm a big man. See him there? Him. But walk up in them, I must have to screenshot this because I have to blood clot talk with the people them. Because right now, maybe somebody I got through with him down there right now. Yeah, that's how one time, this is why one time, Peter Gay come and after she get grape, it's so, I'm going to take it up on my head. I mean, I got so hard for Peter Gay, that time Peter Gay fake. That time Peter Gay fake. I mean, I got so hard for Peter Gay, because I'm cool to tell my story. I couldn't tell my blood class story and Peter Gay said show us that I'm going to tell Peter Gay so I don't understand. I mean I ride hard for Peter Gay to have a lie Peter Gay tell me. That have a lie Peter Gay tell me. That have a lie. I mean I ride for her. I mean I run out there. Because I say, you know, it happened to me so it's a possibility. I mean understand. I mean never know what to do. I never know what to do. Come and tell my father overlook it. I tell my father overlook it. What me for do? What me I gonna do? I tell my father take care of me. I'm gonna tell my father and him I gonna come now and tell me. If I gonna come now and say, I never blood class said, you understand? I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna tell my father for a long time. And I'm mother, pressure me with my father. See mother. What me I go wood? What me I go wood? Feel still mother. Remember if I fuck me, and he fuck me and go have it in and feel mother come father to go fight me about it, man. Feel mother come father to go fight me about it. I'm a father for blood clot. Do not over there. Mother feel mother man tell me. Oh God. So So they can't imagine how I feel. I feel mother bad time with my father. And my father, I said, they must have a bad time. I said, no. And I know he'll from this sound. Oh, I'm a scene on TikTok and them trigger me the blood clot. I'm gonna get no revenge. I'm gonna get no revenge because I'm gonna have to run away.
Oh, mother cry, mother. You were once little and somebody big took you. Now you were big and you are taking little things. Fear is fear. Yeah, Baba. Sometimes I can't bother follow mother mouth, you know, because I don't know which direction it will go. Sometimes I just can't bother follow mother mouth. You know, so it's true, mother no disrespect my baby. But it's when you cry, come off camera, because when you hold up your head also, you know, me I wonder, me I say, why she have to hold up her head and her lip dry it down back. Me don't know, but something not agree. Something just not agree. If I cry in your wig, I am makeup and so, like your lip sync, I can't work this so. At least me not gonna take you serious. But at this stage I cry. Over that I do so much wickedness, I could bother cry. The world I done, you know, mother. Mother, when you done ball, what you say to yourself when you look after your life? You know, look in the mirror and say, bitch, where you ball for? Look how much little pick me a trick and carry go casino. You know say that? I would. Could have been a ball for them someday. I don't know, waste of time. I don't know, you know, I can't bother that. Yeah. Who owe money? Ivan, you owe money? Ivan, you owe Apple money? Who owe money? Pinky and Donia? What about Pinky and Donia? Me like Donia and I not chat Donia. Me love Donia. Me not tell no lie. Me like Donia. Me not chat Donia, man. Me no want chat King Donia, please. Me no want chat Donia. Yeah. Him exacos Pinky La Donia at. That's all me can say. Moving right along, yeah. Me not chat Donia, me like him. Me can't chat him, me like him. Me want play hypocrite today. Me like Donia, me not chat him. Eh? You know see we pan date though. Me don't want you want who go pan date for the app. You know see we pan date though. You know see we pan date though. Don't make me have to lean me neck and watch the porridge, you know. You know see we pan date though. A 14 plane me take come here, you know. You know see we pan date though. Don't make me have to lean me neck again and watch the porridge. Oh, me tell you that Annie. Annie front want a cocky cashier. Me tell you that Annie now. Something else. So happy wife I go home in a pain. When I not pray for her, land and mackerel the river. Land and mackerel the river. Land and wicked to mackerel. No said that pretty boy was a snake. Then land and see how mackerel look. Oh, she got understand the water. Huh? What is wrong with Lando? Lando just make pure mistake. Me don't want chat about Mrs. and Mr. Henry because me not trust them people. Me just feel like them need them joke. Me don't want chat about them. Good God, man, leave the people. Me don't want chat about them. Me just feel like them need them joke. Boy, some of we big man. Me don't know. I wonder if when me reach out for them age, just some me go careless though, God. Well, if Queenie can't careless, might as well Lola will just come out careless and done. What about Derek? Him build up in a park. Chocolate Derek! We said chocolate Derek. I choose something. Choose something or a joke when I make. Oh, him drop down. Derek drop down. Lord Jesus, where is grandma? Where is grandma? What happened to grandma? So nobody no check on grandma. You know, so some other people pan this always I come up with some things about some people and never stop it. Oh, you mean Derek drop down, bust the truck lick him. Are so much things that take Derek in a one day? Derek bless. The park ranger Latty say, them says lie, we don't leave grandma alone. Grandma stop calling things pan grandma. One must always do that. Eh? I must always do that. I don't like it, man. Fear is fear. Then come here now. Imagine me I mind my own business because I'm deep in a prayer. Right? Me deep in a prayer in a people. You see how traveling is still like rain? Me deep in a prayer, mind my own business. And you know say, so me I mind my business. Sometimes you can't focus when you live in a ghetto and you're praying. You know me ear grumbling. And then during the prayer I have to ear because me I tell my ears say ears you can multitask. Because me know my hearing bilingual. Me know my hearing is bilingual. And me say hearing you can multitask. So while me I pray and me I listen out I do, me not hear say them run what's off of the app. Then what's not just come. Then who could have run the child off of the app now? What wrong with them people here? What wrong with the app rangers? Eh? That is the multidimensional. No, what wrong with them people? Me say them run what's off of the Lord help me Jesus. And the child have a complexion for selling her. What wrong with Uno? What is really going on here in the atmosphere? Then what are we Lando carry Emmy Ghana Airbnb? Thank God for the app. If it had not been for the internet, you know, I don't think then I hear say then Emmy no say Lando carry I got a flat bridge a prank. A trick never real. Eh? I only put something from the app. Then Ticky cost Ivani for RT Boss and Destiny now cost Ticky for Ivani and Destiny and Ivani, no friend. Then them not draw back for one long time video with Ivani and act like she junk and call Raja Batim. I can't bother with the internet. Hoi. No, such a slip. And such a slide. No. Right down into the gully did ill. Very illy. Me say the internet and then I book up one video with King now. I cost figure it out. I can't deal with them people. I pay foreigner them here, you know. Me no want Tiki call up Diamond name, you know. Tiki Diamond, I'm a friend, no call up her name. Oh, you mean a Diamond tell you? Those flying skills? Then Diamond come and tell Tiki things. Tiki nobody call up Diamond name in your mouth in a Tiki. Tiki lie, man. And when I see King of Cuss figure it out, I laugh till I cry. When I see King of Cuss figure it out, I laugh. The minute you say Ivani must say run figure it out. I want the mama blood finger this. Now chat King Donia, they might cuss me. My moderator, they might cuss me. I never know some moderator, they have ill feelings towards King Donia. Me I forgot to take back the batch from some of the moderator. No move on a dirty blood finger. Yeah, my moderator, they might cuss me. True, me don't want chat King Donia, they must say my bias. Go on, man, me not chat him, I like him. Go on. Me not chat him, I love on here. Yeah, later. Lord, my crutches. I feel slippery already. I'm afraid to get up and slide. Look here, little more I come back. Little more.